Hey there, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. Are you thinking about purchasing a new home? If you are, don't be fooled by bogus inspection reports. You should have a separate electrical inspection done on top of your home inspection. An electrician will go in and check out if you have a two-wire system or a grounded system. A regular home inspector may be limited on what he can check. He may just have one of these plug-in testers. The problem with these is that you can fake them out. See how this outlet has a neutral wire going to the ground screw? This is telling the plug-in tester that this outlet is on a grounded system when it's actually not. Be careful with this because this is a safety hazard as well as a major cost down the road if you ever decide to upgrade your wiring. Please like this video or subscribe to our page for more videos.